Storm Mountain to my home in Loveland today. Let's see how this works out. I got my attire on. It looks pretty good. Let's see what happens here. Heading that way. Probably not the brightest. Probably not the brightest. Probably not the brightest. I'm down the mountain. I made it down the mountain. Looks like it's time to take the helmet off. Time to take the helmet off. Yeah, he's down the mountain. And we're good here. nice people there. Thanks, folks. Okay, well, I guess that's it, really.